Mmm. Mamas.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Fresh oranges.
Those are peaches.
Phone's always dead when I want to make a good video. I swear. Mamas. Aggressive mamas. Wow, mama. Come on. Would you rather have an IV peaches or what? Wow. Hand feeding mama doe with 2 fresh baby fawns.
Do you like it, sweetie? You're getting close to the end.
Yeah.
Oh, that one flipped out of your mouth. Sorry about that. Okay.
Go find a new place. She's still looking really healthy though, right?
Yeah.
She had a baby.
I think she had triplets.
Her legs are looking great.
I think it was her that had the 3.
Is that the triplet?
I think so. She hasn't brought him back.
She's looking really healthy though. Look at her belly. Mamas. Triplet mamas. We love you.
Okay, you want to drink the juice out of here?
Mamas.
There you go. You can have the juice. Enjoy.